You dream of YouTube stardom, millions of views, legions of loyal subscribers. But the reality? It's a crowded, noisy platform. Getting noticed feels impossible. You pour your heart into creating awesome content, but it gets lost in the sea of videos. The views trickle in, if at all. It's disheartening. But don't give up. There's a secret weapon that can change everything: AI. AI is like having a team of experts working behind the scenes. These tools analyze massive amounts of data. They decode the YouTube algorithm. They understand what makes videos go viral. This information is pure gold for creators. You gain insights into trending topics, popular keywords, and audience behavior. AI doesn't just analyze, it predicts. It forecasts future trends and identifies content gaps. This allows you to stay ahead of the curve and create videos that people are actively searching for. Personalization is key in today's digital world. Viewers crave content tailored to their interests. AI excels at this. It can analyze your audience demographics, watch history, and engagement patterns. Armed with this knowledge, you can create videos that resonate deeply with your viewers. This leads to higher engagement, longer watch times, and ultimately, more subscribers. AI takes the guesswork out of YouTube. It empowers you to make informed decisions and create content that gets results. The YouTube algorithm is a complex beast. It determines which videos get seen and recommended. Understanding it is essential for success. AI analytics tools provide a deep dive into the algorithm's workings. They track metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. By analyzing this data, you can identify what's working and what's not. AI can highlight specific areas for improvement, such as video length, titles, or thumbnails. This data-driven approach allows you to optimize your content for maximum visibility. For example, AI might reveal that viewers drop off after the first minute. You can then experiment with shorter videos or more engaging intros. By understanding the algorithm's preferences, you can create content that aligns with its criteria. This significantly increases your chances of getting recommended and reaching a wider audience. AI analytics unlock the secrets of the algorithm, giving you a competitive edge. Section 4: AI-powered SEO, your ticket to discoverability. SEO is crucial for getting your videos found on YouTube. It's about optimizing your content for search. AI tools make SEO simpler and more effective. They identify relevant keywords that people are searching for. These tools analyze search volume, competition, and keyword trends. This helps you choose the right keywords to target in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. AI-powered SEO goes beyond simple keyword research. It suggests related terms and long-tail keywords to broaden your reach. This ensures that your videos appear in a wider range of search results, attracting a larger audience. Imagine creating a video about healthy breakfast recipes. AI might suggest additional keywords like quick and easy breakfast ideas or vegan breakfast options. By incorporating these terms, you increase your video's visibility to a broader audience. AI-powered SEO helps you rank higher in search results, driving more organic traffic to your channel. Section 5: Crafting irresistible content with AI. Creating engaging content is the heart of YouTube success. AI can help you craft videos that captivate your audience. AI tools can analyze trending topics and identify emerging content gaps. This allows you to create videos on subjects that people are actively seeking. Imagine an AI tool revealing a surge in interest for DIY home decor. You can capitalize on this trend by creating timely and relevant content. AI can also suggest video formats and styles that are performing well. This data-driven approach ensures that your content aligns with audience preferences, maximizing engagement. AI can even assist with script writing, suggesting storylines, talking points, and engaging hooks. It can help you structure your videos for optimal flow and viewer retention. AI empowers you to create content that is both informative and entertaining, keeping viewers glued to the screen. Section 6: Your action plan for YouTube success. Ready to unlock the power of AI for your YouTube channel? Here's your action plan. 1. Embrace AI tools. There are numerous AI-powered tools designed for YouTubers. Explore options like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Morning Fame. Choose tools that align with your needs and budget. 2. Analyze your channel. Use AI analytics to gain a deep understanding of your channel's performance. Identify your top-performing videos, audience demographics, and engagement patterns. 3. Optimize your SEO. Leverage AI-powered SEO tools to research relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords strategically in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. 4. Create targeted content. Use AI insights to identify trending topics and content gaps. Create videos that align with audience interests and search demand. 5. Personalize your approach. Utilize AI to understand your audience's preferences. Tailor your content, style, and messaging to resonate with their specific interests. By implementing these steps, you can harness the power of AI to skyrocket your YouTube views and subscribers. The future of YouTube belongs to creators who embrace innovation. Don't get left behind. Start your AI-powered YouTube journey today.